I am giving you these JAMB questions, right? JAMB questions to test how prepared you are on use of English. So we go just about 5 to 10 questions. Look at the instruction. In each of the questions, choose the option that is most nearly opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning. Antonyms. We are looking at opposite in meaning. Okay. It's question 1, question 31. Just attempt the questions. It could be said that he founded the club and also dash. The word we are looking for the opposite in meaning is founded. It could be said that he founded the club and also dash. A, destroyed. B, created. C, organized. D, discovered. Opposite in meaning of founded. Is it A, destroyed? Is it B, created? Is it C, organized? And is it D, discovered? Remember, if you watch this video to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB syllables and free past questions from me if you have not gotten it. That is if you're already a member of our channel. Now let's look at another opposite in meaning. I encourage my younger sister to take on medicine as a profession, while I dash my elder sister from doing so. I encourage my younger sister to take on medicine as a profession, while I dash my elder sisters from doing so. We are looking at the opposite in meaning of encouraged. A, finance. Opposite in meaning of encouraged. A, finance. B, persuaded. C, helped. And D, dissuaded. What is the opposite in meaning of encouraged? I encourage my younger sister to take on medicine as a profession, while I dash my elder sisters from doing so. Is it opposite meaning of encourage? Is it finance, or is it persuaded, or is it helped, or is it dissuaded? I am waiting for you in the comment section for your answers. Now let's look at this question 3, question 33. Opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning. Tayo is very pessimistic about the business, while his father is dash. Tayo is very pessimistic about the business, while his father is dash. We are looking at opposite meaning of pessimistic. A, sad. B, worried. C, optimistic. And D, unconvinced. Tayo is very pessimistic about the business, while his father is dash. A, sad. B, worried. C, optimistic. And D, unconvinced. This is the kind of questions JAMB will throw at you once you enter the exam hall. That is why it is good you attempt this question. There are many videos I've done on quizzes like this for you to take. If you want me to give you the link to all the quizzes we have done, so that we begin from part 1 to answer them one by one, I could give them to you. Just ask me in the comments. Just say, sir, give me all the quizzes or the practice questions you have done on English, and I could give them to you. Okay, look at question number 4. Remember that beyond these quizzes, I've done quite a lot of videos, expo questions, past question and answer. I've done over 40 videos for you, giving you the questions and the answers and explaining them on use of English. I've done it on biology, mathematics, chemistry, physics, economics, government, literature, anyone. If you need me to give you access to all the videos I have done on your subjects, just let me know in the comment section. I will give them to you free, but that is for members of our channel, registered members. If you have not registered, ask me how to register. It's just simple, just something you click and you become a registered member. Also remember to subscribe. Some bacteria are mild in the effect on people, while others are dash. Look at this question 4. Some bacteria are mild in the effect on people, while others are dash. What is the opposite meaning of mild? A, strict. B, temperature. C, merciless. D, severe. What is the opposite meaning of mild? M-I-L-D. Is it A, strict? Is it B, temperature? Is it C, merciless? Or is it D, severe? Question 35. Question 5. Ekaite's argument was spurious, while Jide's own was dash. We are looking at opposite in meaning. Ekaite's argument was spurious, while Jide's own was dash. Opposite in meaning of spurious. A. False. B. Illogical. C. Fascinating. And D. Genuine. Ekaite's argument was spurious. We are looking for the opposite in meaning of spurious. Spurious. Is it A, false? Is it B, illogical? Is it C, fascinating? Or is it D, genuine? If you need to consult your dictionary, Google, and all the rest, make sure you consult. The whole essence is learning. It's for you to learn, because I am convinced that this year is your year, and I want you to claim it in the comment section. This is the year you will score 300 and above in your JAMB. This is the year you will gain admission. You will not write JAMB next year. Claim it in the comment section. I am rooting for you. I believe this is your year. Question 36. A hard worker should earn promotion as an incentive, while demotion should serve as a dash to the indolent. This is opposite in meaning, and we're looking at incentive. Opposite in meaning of incentive. Is it A, consolation? Opposite in meaning of incentive. Is it A, consolation? B, deterrent. C, reward. D, humiliation. A hard worker should earn promotion as an incentive, while demotion should serve as a dash to the indolent. Opposite meaning of incentive. Is it consolation? Is it deterrent? Is it a reward? Or is it humiliation? I am waiting for you in the comment section. Even if you don't get all of them 10 over 10, just attempt it, because you will still face this kind of questions, similar questions, inside your JAMB hall, because what I'm giving are real JAMB questions. The lecturer's treatment of the subject was rather haphazard. We expected something more dash. The lecturer's treatment of the subject was rather haphazard. This is the word underlined. We are looking at is haphazard. We expected something more dash. What is opposite meaning of haphazard? A, systematic. B, arbitrary. C, casual. D, straight. Opposite meaning of haphazard. Opposite, antonym of haphazard. Is it A, systematic? B, arbitrary. C, casual. And D, straight. We move on. The policeman's statement was explicit, while that of the suspect was dash. The policeman's statement was explicit, while that of the suspect was dash. Opposite meaning of explicit. A, vague. B, clear. C, illogical. D, suspicious. A, vague. B, clear. C, illogical. And D, suspicious. Opposite meaning of explicit. Okay. Kidia purchased various articles at the supermarket, and surprisingly, he dashed my elder sister from doing so. Kidia purchased various articles at the supermarket, and surprisingly, he dashed my elder sister from doing so. A, opposite meaning of purchase. A, destroyed. B, sold. C, bought. D, distributed. Opposite meaning of purchase. Is it destroyed? B, sold. C, bought. D, distributed. The last question I will give you: Ade is very conservative in his political ideas, whereas Bola expresses dash views always. Okay, you can leave question 4 to the options are not here. Just give me the answers from all the questions I've asked. I started from question 31, asking you that is opposite in meaning. Go ahead now and answer these questions. If you want me to give you the link, go ahead and become a member of our channel. Remember to like this video, click on like, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to be a full member, join our YouTube channel. You can see the link, click on link and join our YouTube channel. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Watch it, click on it and watch now.